Hello everybody, Asawang Filipina here. So today's video we're gonna drive barefoot driving again. So I'm going to my friend. She just arrived from the state. So for a very long time before pandemic, after pandemic, we just meet. So drive with me everyone and let's go. Everybody, so today we're gonna drive barefoot driving. So I'm on the way to the city and then I have this sandal, but I'm gonna pull this out, put it in the other side, and because I have a lot of requests for barefoot driving, drive, blinker left, and then let's do the barefoot driving again. So I'm almost in the city and we're not gonna drive fast. Just chill driving. Well, those of you who wants to watch a longer video, you can just click the join button next to my subscribe button in my channel. My subscribe button in my channel. Furthermore, if you like this video, you can also buy or purchase super things in my channel. So it was just next to share button. So yeah, that would be all. I forgot my garbage again. I used to throw my garbage here. The other days, and well, thank you for my sponsor for that. And I only need to do the filter and the spark plug of my car, and then I have another friend, not friend, well, friend, yeah, one of my followers is also willing to help and send a few amounts to my car maintenance. So I thank you for that. It's Mello. Thank you, Mello. So far the camera is working good this time, because sometimes it's feel off in the mount, but I'm going to buy today a new one. So those who wants to request a video or custom video, just message me to my Facebook page, because there are some requests that are very expensive, so I also need some donation for that. So if you want some requested video, especially a video that I have to rent a car, or a video that I have to spend more money for your request, aside from barefoot like that, so I can just do here, it doesn't matter, I have the car. But for other, let's say for example the revving, and revving engine is not like you can just rev in your regular car, especially when you have a new car. It's not good for the engine also. So for revving engine, I prefer to rev engine with the other cars, so I need to rent for that. And that's why when you request me to do the revving, I don't really do it, especially in my car. So I paid other car for that, and yeah, that's free for you guys. So if you want to support my channel, you can just go to my PayPal account and send any amount to help me do more revving videos and of course driving videos. Aside from, I have a sponsor to pay also for my driving, but usually they do custom video. So for the custom video is I ask a little bit more for that because it's kind of special tricks. I have a special tricks for custom video. Natalang jud ko. Dali. Kira. Kadumdum kay lang ati Made. Dali lang kaga, kay na ako kuan kamera. Wala kay sandiganan dari. Okay ra? Okay ra? Sure ka? Oo. Dali. So hi, this is my friend. What's your name? Si Mara. And this is my sexy friend. See, beautiful and sexy look. not for sale.
For sale.
Not for sale.
Or for rent.
This one. Oh.
Kisa man na. Ay, mo ba na? Mo ba na?
Oh, black.
So, oh.
Biga.
Nag-fit na din siya.
Yeah. Successful na vlog.
Mga ball dun sa man natin.
Thank you for watching everyone and hope to see you next vlog. Bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.